In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Sabo Square discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Sabo Square discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called simplycodes.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this 15% of discount right here, all you need to do is select show copy code from right here, and this is the promo code, and you can copy this promo code from right here and apply this one on the next purchase so that you can get this discount right here. Also, we have this website which is called couponbots.com, and right here we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 50% discount on your order store-wide, all you need to do is select the code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get the 50%, the 70% discount, sorry. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.